Gosh, this is how fast water rises every time there is heavy rain, what should I say, non-stop rain. This is so alarming, but I think not just the government but the people in the community should do something about it. I mean, let's just not rely on what the government can do to help us out, but we had to do it on our own little way. I mean, yes, it's good to have a plant control plans and the solution to strategically design, meticulously studied to avoid bigger problems and basically to provide quick solution whenever catastrophes like this happens. I strongly believe it is not late, it will never be too late because there is no limit or time limit in doing so. It's just that we need to start working and doing it now. Let's on move together, we can do this. Our family, our community, our country, our Philippines should be our priority.